All right, guys. I know it's been a while since we posted pretty much anything. Well, we're starting a new project on top of the other projects we have, and I know y'all probably like, oh my God, what are they going to do? Another project. But before we get explaining this project, I need you to please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, and help me grow my channel. Can't do it without you guys. That's obvious. That's how YouTube works. But our next project that we're going to try to bust out in just a couple of weeks is we're going to turn our 14-foot John boat into a redneck bass boat. So we've already picked up the stuff that we're going to throw in it. Most of the things that we're going to put in it. You know, we'll end up adding lights and other stuff and a bunch of electrical and batteries. But we got the Minn Kota maximum foot control trolling motor, 55-pound thrust. We're putting a Helix 7 down image and side image, the side scan Humminbird, the Helix 7. These are just the tools I picked up. I'm going to put some rib nuts to mount this into the front deck. These are going to be our storage on the inside. Tackle, boat safety stuff. This might turn into a live well. I'm not sure which way we're going to go with boxing off the front to throw in all of our safety gear and stuff that's required in a boat by law. But the one major thing that this thing's going to have, and there's going to be two of them, is that since the boat's so little and we got the front deck that we're making is going to be 7.5 feet long within here, and then the back deck in the back, which might be just 3 feet, that covers the back. But since the deck is so small up here, 2.5 feet I think up here, is that it's going to have two rod lockers in it, that when you're out fishing, all your rods are hidden down in the bottom under the deck, and they won't be in your way, and you won't be kicking or stepping on them since the boat's so small. And then, like I said, then we'll have a trolling motor up here with a foot control trolling motor. So like I said, what I need you to do is like, share, and subscribe, and help me get this channel up. This build is probably going to go pretty fast. We're going to try to design a little bit off camera, and then I'll come back with the camera when we're cutting out, because we're going to cut the center seat out, and then we'll explain the design later. But this is just for you guys to know what they're looking forward to, and hopefully see the video within a week, the first video within this week. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. The redneck bass boat is getting on here within this few weeks. Hopefully we'll have it done, because we want to get out on the water. That's why we're doing everything out of wood, so it's fast and quick. And thank you very much. Catch you on the flip side.